Hello and welcome to Zulf Talks Photography. Today we're talking to Violet about her favorite lens. You may already be able to tell what lens it is from the description and the thumbnail, but we're going to speak to her today and find out what she likes about it and what she would suggest you buy it for. So, hi Violet, if you can speak to us a bit about your lens, the Tamron 24 to 72.8.
Hi, Zulf, and thank you for having me on your channel. Absolutely. The 24 to 70 millimeter Tamron f2.8 is a generation 2 lens, which is good because the first generation still had internal zoom, which was not so great for me. But the second generation has an external zoom, and it also stays fixed on f2.8. So if you have a zoom lens or a telefocal lens, what would happen is your lens would zoom and the f-stop would change from 2.8 to 5.6 or even higher on some of the longer lenses. But on the generation 2 lens, it's perfect because it stays on f2.8 whether you're on 24 millimeter or on 70 millimeter. So that is my main thing, my main reason why I made this purchase on the 24 to 70 lens. And I also use it for weddings, for parties, for any sort of portrait photography, animal shoots, and so on.
Okay, excellent. That sounds really good. And you've got a nice lineup behind you of lenses. What would be your second best lens?
My second best lens would definitely, without a doubt, be the Tamron 150 to 600 millimeter lens that's in the corner, the big one, and that I use for wildlife.
Excellent. And what I have done is I've looked at your Instagram channel and seen some great photos you've got there showing the capabilities of some of these lenses. And some of these pictures are action shots. Were those taken with the 24 to 70? The tennis ball one?
Yes, most of the action shots that I take, all of the high speed photography shoots that I do is with the 24 to 70 because of the f2.8. It's much faster than the long lens with the f6.3 stop.
Excellent. And some of the wildlife shots were those with the wider lens. Ah, yes, I can see the little chicks in the nest as well. Wow.
Nice. Yes, all of the wildlife shoots that I do is always with the 150 to 600 millimeter Tamron f6.3.
Would you suggest that's a good lens for people to buy if they're into wildlife photography?
Oh, absolutely. And even if you want to take some astro photography, that's also a brilliant lens. You'll see also on my Instagram page, there's some wildlife and there's also some shots of the moon that I took, several shots of the moon that I took. So I definitely recommend the the 150 to 600 for that.
Excellent. And we've brought your Instagram channel up there. I showed some of the pictures, but what I will do is I'll link to it in the description so people can go and check out the rest of the photos. I don't want to show them all of them today, so they can go and have a look at that on your channel. Thank you for speaking to us today. And you are on YouTube and Instagram and most of the social media sites, which we'll link to. And we will be speaking to Violet again. And you can check out these additional videos in the cards for creative collaborations to see more of the types of videos we make and the conversations we have.